Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has certainly been a while since my last video, hasn't it? I'm so sorry, but I am super glad to be back on camera today. Now I hope you guys have all been having a great 2022 so far and a great holidays before that as well. Now I'm sure you all know by the title of this video, but I will be showcasing today the MAC Cosmetics Lunar New Year collection called Lunar Lights. Now, full disclosure, but MAC Cosmetics Canada was actually really kind and sent me this entire collection that I'm showing you guys today. This has actually been a video I've been planning for a while, and I did originally have plans to purchase a bit of the collection myself to film this video, but I got this in the mailbox, totally a surprise, and now I get to show you guys everything, which is super exciting. So without further ado, I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing, show you all of the products, and then I have a look planned as well. So reading a little bit from the card that they sent with me in the back, this collection is a fierce full-face lineup of lucky reds and majestic metallics for a new year filled with confidence, courage, and bold beauty looks, which is really cute. So first thing, I'm going to be showing you guys the eyeshadow palette. It is a mini 9-pan palette, and it has a mix of Powder Kiss formula for the mattes and Dazzle Shadow Extremes for the metallics. I love both of these formulas. The Powder Kiss is very blendable, super soft, and has a diffused look. And then the Dazzle Shadow Extremes are like a glitter metallic finish, really high impact, really beautiful when foiled. In these swatches, this is just with the fingers, so you can even see really pigmented. Moving on, this collection features 4 of the Powder Kiss lipsticks in limited edition bullets. Super cute. It's a mix of nudes and brights. The formula is a really beautiful comfort matte formula, and you can wear it blurred or full color. I really like these guys as well. Along with the regular Powder Kiss lipsticks, there are also 4 of the Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks. These are the newest additions to the Powder Kiss family in terms of formula, and there's 4 new shades in this collection. I love the liquid formula for the Powder Kiss. It has a mousse-like texture, and I also really love using it on the eyes and cheeks, and I'm going to show you guys that today as well. And last, in terms of makeup products, is the highlighter, and it has beautiful embossing. I'm just really glad that they did not go with double gleam this year, which is usually what MAC does. This is a beautiful shade that's a little bit of a warmer gold, and I'm really excited to put it to the test. To round out the collection, there are also 2 brushes. These guys are just kind of reskins of existing brushes in MAC's repertoire. There is an eye brush, which is the 217, really nice mid-sized blender brush. And then there is the 159, which is a dual fiber cheek brush, and it's especially great for cream and liquid products, I find, for the cheek. And I'm going to show you how I apply that Powder Kiss liquid lipstick as a blush. So that concludes sort of my showcase of the products. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. So let's move on to the look portion of this video. Now for this look, I wanted to recreate a look that I did a little bit in the holiday season, inspired by like a cold flushed snow day style with like blush kind of around the cheeks and on the nose. I'll post a picture of the look I did, and I think it'd make a really great look with the color story of the palette. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom into the eyes and we will get started. Now, I have already primed my eyes with some soft ochre paint pot, just going to help some of these colors pop. We are not going to pull any punches. We're going to go right into the super dark plummy shade to start mapping out that reverse wing or reverse cat eye shape. Now, to help me get that really precise line, I'm going to be using a MAC 231 brush. It's just a really small, thin shader. And I'm going to start kind of looking forward and sort of mapping out where I want the top of that wing to go. because my eyes are kind of hooded, I'm going to start sort of on top of the fold in my eyelid. And drag that pigment kind of down and blend it out. Once I've mapped out the top, I am going to go back into that eyeshadow and start dragging this color along the bottom lash line. I'm going to connect this shade all the way up to the front. And then I'm going to use this brush to map out that inner corner. I am now going to go in with the number 219 small pencil brush, and I'm just going to diffuse that edge a little down below. Continuing on, I'm going to go into this kind of lighter, sort of reddish shade here with the pencil brush. And I'm going to kind of focus it along this outer edge here. I'm going to keep pulling sort of the edge of that wing further. I know this looks really crazy right now, but trust the process. I'm just gonna kind of keep diffusing it towards the cheek area. We're really gonna tie it in with blush later. Next, I'm going to switch to a slightly larger blending brush. This is a 224. I just have it in like a special packaging as well. I'm gonna go back into that red shade, and then with this bigger brush, I'm just gonna softly really diffuse some more of that red down into the cheek. Applying really little product onto the brush. I really want a little bit to go a long way. Alright, now at this stage, we're gonna leave the eyeshadow palette behind for a little bit and work on kind of finishing the cheek area first, and then sort of return and do some final touches on the eye, just so the look becomes a little more balanced, and then we can kind of finesse and tweak things, because right now it is very eye heavy. So I've zoomed out a little so you can get a better look at the blush placement and how it relates to the rest of the face. And for the blush, I'm going to be using Luck Be a Lotus in the Powder Kiss liquid. And to use this as a blush, I'm going to first take a bunch just onto my hand. It's gonna kind of be a little palette surface for me. Next, I'm gonna take my finger into that shade, and then I'm just going to place it close to the red that we've already laid out and kind of pat it in. Once I've laid the color, I'm gonna go in with the 159 brush. I am going to tap it out and diffuse it in place. Go in with my finger for a bit more color. And I'm going to slowly bring that blush down onto my cheeks. The really nice thing about this formula for blush is that it has that soft moussey effect. So the blush does dry down and it doesn't kind of become sticky. As a final touch, I'm going to add a little bit of blush to the tip of my nose. Creating kind of that snow-flushed, cold kind of look. Alright, so I kind of dipped back into the eyeshadow palette a little and added and kind of finessed that blend between the eyeshadow and the blush. And now I just want to add kind of a pop of like a little bit of gold shimmer on the lid. I'm just going to use my finger for that and go into that gold shade in the middle. And I'm just going to tap a little on my lid to give a bit of a reflect. So at this point, I'm pretty much done with all of the eyeshadow components of this look at the moment. So I am going to put on just my liner and my lash to finish up the eyes, and then we'll come back for the cheek and lips. Welcome back, guys. So I've added a pair of the number 89 Megastar lashes, which are my current favorites, and I am really loving how this look is turning out. Next, I want to just put a little bit of highlighter on. Just a little bit of this Lunar Lights highlighter. I'm just going to put that bigger blending brush I was using in it a little. I want to put a little on my nose and along my nose bridge. I want to put a very light dusting of it on the cheek because I don't want it to disturb the blush I've got going on here. I want to put a little bit under the brow bone, a little on my forehead and Cupid's bow as well. For the final touch of the look, the lips, I'm going to be kind of trying to recreate that lip ombre look in my original look with sort of the darker color on the inside and lighter on the outside. I'm going to achieve that by using 2 of the Powder Kiss lipsticks in the collection. I'm going to be using Push Your Luck, sort of this lighter peachy color for the lip line, and then this darker shade Pure Luck kind of in the center to give that really rich rosy inner lip. I've also put down some lip primer as well, just to create a nice base for the lip products. So I'm going to start with the lighter color first, and I really want to utilize that point of the lipstick to go along my lip line. Alright, now going on to the dark red, I'm going to put it in the center. And I'm tapping the lip a little to blend it out. Looking at it, I almost don't think it's dark enough. So I'm going to go into Token of Affection, one of the liquid lip colors, and it's the darkest shade. I'm just going to add a little bit of that on the very inner center of the lip. And once again, I'm using my finger to tap out that color. Just a little close-up of the lip. Alright, and this is the finished look that I've created with the Lunar Luck collection. I honestly had such an easy time with the products today. This just really came together super quickly and easily. Couldn't have been happier, and I just wanted to thank MAC Cosmetics Canada again for sending me these guys. I'm super happy to have them, and if you guys are interested in more looks with this collection, I'm definitely gonna have a couple more up on my Instagram, either already or in the next little bit, so definitely keep an eye out for that. For any of you out there that do celebrate, I hope you have a great Lunar New Year, and I wish you all the best in the next one. And for everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look, and I will see you guys next time.